Spacious ranch home with modern touches. Relax on the inviting front porch of the sprawling ranch home. The open floor plan boasts a grand foyer leading to a spacious living room with a vaulted ceiling, cozy gas fireplace, and built-in shelving. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring granite countertops, ample cabinetry, modern appliances, a convenient center island, a herb window, and a pantry. A delightful four-season sunroom, added in 2019, offers a serene retreat with car siding, a wood ceiling with beams and a warm wood-burning fireplace. The primary bedroom suite is a luxurious haven, complete with a sitting area and a recently remodeled bathroom, 2024. The lower level provides versatility with a full bathroom and a large multi-purpose room that could easily be divided into a fourth bedroom. Vivint's backyard features a spacious patio and a fire.